Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification on as well, as I post once every week, be it my long form videos or shorts. So I don't think I've ever done a product empties video ever in my YouTube channel. I think I did once back in like 2016 or 2017, but it was way long back. And honestly guys, I want to do these kind of product empties video, but to be honest guys, जब भी मेरा कुछ product खत्म हो जाता है, मैं रखती नहीं हूँ, मैं फेंक देती हूँ. That is my habit all time. Thankfully, I think I have been collecting these items for almost 6 to 7 months now. Like 2023 दिसंबर के अराउंड मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट सब सेव करना स्टार्ट किया. सो फाइनली आई हैव few products for you guys. Any further ado, let's just get started. This is the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. It's completely over finally guys, just finally. If you guys have seen my non-sponsored skincare routine, you guys know how much I love this product. Honestly guys, this is the best product I've ever used, especially for skin barrier. This was the first ceramide product that I was using consistently. Now I got to know the benefits of ceramide. So if you have acne prone skin or if you have issues with your skin barrier, then आंख बंद करके ये ले लो. If you ask me if I'll repurchase it or not, definitely 100%. But the thing is that when I purchased this a year back, it was for about 550 rupees on sale. But अभी नायका में मैं देख रही हूँ तो ये 1100-1200 में मिल रहा है. So I don't think I would purchase it right now. मैं wait करूँगी for the sale to happen and then I'll get. The product that I'm going to show you is something that I got beginning of this year, and it literally helped my skin. Like, I can't even tell you how much it helped. I have already made a video on it as well. I had a serious razor bumps, like saving के बाद razor irritation हो जाता है मेरा skin कभी कभी, and this product literally saved my skin, you guys. The viral pink serum, this is rupees 1800. तो मुझे ये 10% ऑफ में मिला. Still it's a little bit costly. मुझे around 1600 के आसपास पड़ा. If you have like irritation, redness, flaky skin, like whatever, if your skin is sensitive, go grab this right away. Abhi I am not going to repurchase for my skincare routines according to my skin needs. तो अभी मुझे ये इसका need नहीं है, but whenever I need help in my skin barrier or my irritated skin, then I'll definitely going to repurchase it. The next product that I completed is again from Ordinary. This is their niacinamide serum. For a beginner, I won't recommend you guys to get this, but my skin is habituated to 10% niacinamide. ये कुछ around 550 rupees का था, and yes, I'm definitely going to repurchase it again, especially for summers. You definitely need a niacinamide serum. It regulated my sebum production, acne scars and everything. The full review is up on my non-sponsored skincare routine, so I'm not going to talk a lot about these products now. Next products that I completed, and I feel so satisfied because these products are my loyal products, especially this one. This is the Cosrx Nail Mousse. You guys know I keep repurchasing this product again and again. This is my 4th bottle and I already have a backup in my vanity right over there. जब से मैंने ये ceramides and ये nail mucin use करना start किया है ना, I don't break out easily. Like, trust me, मैं इतना ज़्यादा breakout नहीं करती हूँ. The next product that I got is again from Cosrx. This is the snail cream. If you ask me if I'll repurchase it or not, I would say no, because this was really heavy for my skin. Like if you use this during winter season, then yes, it is going to work. Like if you have oily or combination skin. If you have dry skin, you can use it all year long. अगर मुझे ये कभी भी discount में दिखा winter में, definitely I would grab it right away because the makeup sits so well whenever I use this particular cream. The next product that I completed was a totally new product for me altogether. But starting of the year में मैंने उसको इतना use किया कि 3 महीने में ये खत्म. So this is the CeraVe's moisturizing cream. Written that it's meant for very dry to dry skin, but honestly I have a combination skin. I could still use it and did not feel heavy at all, guys. Whenever I used to use this underneath my makeup or ऐसे ही normally, I could use it. Like it wasn't feeling heavy on my skin. So yeah, I'm thankful for that. And also it's not a dewy cream. It is going to absorb in your skin like this. So if you are looking for a dewy moisturizer, then this is not for you. अगर आपका dry skin है, combination skin है, oily skin है, it is still going to give you a mattifying finish. So yeah, that's the only reason why I absolutely love this. If you ask me if I'll repurchase it or not, 100% yes, you guys. As moisturizer I completed after 1.5 years, guys. This is the Formula X Barrier Repair Cream. This is one of the viral product, I would say. I think 2 years back it went viral and तब मैंने इसको यूज़ नहीं किया था क्योंकि मुझे honestly guys barrier repair के बारे में इतना कुछ पता नहीं था. But then I researched and I got it, and to be honest my skin loves it, especially during night. I used to use this as my night cream, and honestly when I used to wake up my skin was feeling plumped, moisturizing and whatnot. If you ask me if I repurchase it or not now. I mean I do have a lot of moisturizer lying around. I'll wait क्योंकि वैसे भी ये थोड़ा सा expensive भी है, फिर मुझे उसको finish करना है, and then I'll definitely go for this one. The one product that I completely forgot to show in my Foxtail wala video, I'll mention that in the I button. Please go ahead and check that video first. Anyway, so this is the Foxtail Ceramide Moisturizer. I got this only for this packaging, guys. मुझे नहीं पता था कि कितना काम करेगा कितना नहीं. I just saw lavender and I immediately got attracted to it. So this says that it's a ceramide super hydrating moisturizer, and yes, it is an amazing moisturizer as well. If you are looking for a lightweight ceramide based moisturizer, you can definitely go for it. If you have super duper dry skin, then this will not work for you, but if you have oily to combination skin, then this is an amazing moisturizer, and it's also quite inexpensive. I'm going to keep this aside and going to repurchase this one because honestly guys, inexpensive hai, pocket friendly hai, so I would any day I would go for this one. I do have a lot of sunscreen empties as well. Mostly are from Dr. Sheth, and I'm like कि कितनी बार मैं Dr. Sheth आपको दिखाऊँ, like. But yeah, I did finish a lot of Dr. Sheth's sunscreen, and this is the one sunscreen that I completed after the Dr. Sheth sunscreen. So this is the Fair Beauty's SPF Juice. So I got this without any expectations. I saw few reviews and everyone was raving about it. They say that it's like a serum kind of sunscreen and whatnot. So I got it, and also this has SPF 50. So obviously for the Indian summer season, this is a really great sunscreen. I love this. I love everything about this sunscreen, but it is not waterproof. Yeah, it is not water resistant, you guys, because as soon as I applied it and I went out and मुझे sweat होने लगा, I could see the sunscreen dripping off my skin. Not repurchase this, you guys, because I do have a lot of sunscreen. No, मेरे पास इतने कम makeup क्यों है? Most of my makeup either get expire or something or other happens. Okay, I could never finish it off, but this one I finished it off. So this is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I use this every day, guys. Like, it's so good. Like, it's so good, guys. Like, पूरा winter season मैंने इसको everyday use किया. जब भी मैं बाहर गई, कोई भी makeup tutorial बना रही हूँ अपने वीडियो के लिए, use this setting spray, you guys. So इसलिए it was bound to get over. I would highly recommend you guys to get this. What I have is this Essence Brow Mascara. Okay, sticker लगा हुआ है तो ये focus नहीं कर रहा है, but it was a decent product, you guys. I would say I got the shade Dayback, I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, it was a little bit lighter for my eyebrows. I heard a lot about this, but not hold my brows properly, so I would not repurchase it again. Next product that I'm going to show you is something that I showed you recently in one of my haul video, and no guys, ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है, but ये सूख गया. So this is the NY Bay Glow Stamp. So मैंने फर्स्ट जो स्वॉच किया था बस उतना ही था, एंड देन आई केप्ट इट. उसके बाद मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, बट लाइक आफ्टर फ्यू डेज, आई थिंक 2 weeks बैक, व्हेन आई ओपनड इट एंड आई वाज गोइंग फॉर अ लुक, आई डिड, but nothing came. Dried up, guys. It's completely dried up. Like, I just used it once. First impression was really good. It was a really good blush when I first watched it, but also with the packaging also really good. But honestly, it just dried up, so it's just a waste of money. So I wouldn't recommend you guys to try this just because it is a cute product. So those were the products that I recently emptied. Honestly guys, as I told you, there were a lot of other products as well, but I just couldn't keep them. I just discarded them right away. There were a lot of Bath and Body empties as well, because those were the products that I use every single day. तो हर एक दो महीने में वो ख़त्म हो ही जाता है. And also my shampoos and everything, I repurchase almost each of my hair care products. But coming to Bath and Body, I do change a lot guys. So do let me know in the comment section if you want to see only and only my body care products that I use, like the body washes, the body lotions, the body mist and everything. I would love to do those kind of videos as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.